All right, welcome to a live taping of the new quantum game show, Uncertainty Principle. It's great to have such a wonderful live studio audience. We are in Marin County, and I'm your host, Dr. Miriam Diamond. The rules of the game are simple. I will put up a product or service with quantum in its name, and you, the audience, have to tell me whether it is legitimately quantum or whether it is just quackery. And don't worry, anyone who stays until the end of the talk is automatically a winner. All right, so let's get started with quantum curling shoes. Curling made headlines earlier this year in the Olympics when the American team won the gold medal over the Canadian team, I'm ashamed to say. So did they do so using a quantum advantage? No, that's right. There's absolutely nothing quantum about curling shoes. All right, next we have the Royal Caribbean International Quantum of the Seas cruise ship. Anybody here want to go on a quantum cruise? No, absolutely nothing quantum here. All right, next we have Finnish Powerball Quantum Max Dishwashing Detergent. That's right, quackery. It's just classical physics going on in your dishwasher. Next we have the Quantum Garage Door Opener. Now this would really jack up your insurance premiums if your garage door was both open and closed at the same time. And I mean, why would you need a quantum garage door opener anyway? If you had, let's say, a quantum teleporter, you wouldn't even need a car. Or maybe you're designing quantum computers and you meant to design a quantum gate and instead you made a quantum garage door. No, nothing quantum here, people. All right, next we have the Quantum brand smartphone. Is this actually doing anything like quantum encryption inside the smartphone? No, it's not. So there are actually some interesting quantum processes that go on in our tiny electronics, but nothing in this smartphone that's different from any other. Next we have the Duracell quantum battery. Quackery, that's right, it is just a classical electrochemical battery. All right, next we have quantum dot televisions and solar cells. That's right, they are actually quantum. There are some Silicon Valley companies that make these, and yes, quantum dots are indeed entities that are on the atomic scale, and they take advantage of the laws of quantum mechanics. Next we have quantum random number generators. Yes, that's right. They are legitimately quantum, and they use quantum physics to guarantee that the output is genuinely, completely random. Next, we have quantum encryption. Yes, that is in fact quantum. So it uses the laws of quantum physics to guarantee that the encryption is unbreakable by any method. That's right. Next we have quantum teleporters. They are quantum, they're not necessarily teleporters. So they do use entangled pairs of particles, which is a quantum mechanical effect. However, they can only teleport right now subatomic particles or states of laser beams, which is not particularly useful. If you try to say, beam me up, Scotty, sorry, Scotty's not going to answer you. Google and Microsoft quantum computers. Yes, it's a very big deal in Silicon Valley, and this is in fact genuinely quantum. All right, next we have quantum biology. Has anyone here heard that being advertised? Yeah? It's mostly quackery. And not only quantum biology, also quantum medicine and quantum healing. That's complete quackery. That's right. Next we have quantum brains or quantum consciousness. This is once again mostly quackery. There was a drain of actual scientific research being done into this for quite a while. There are still some physicists who are investigating it, but we have no solid scientific proof that there's anything quantum going on in your brain. And next we have quantum jumping. Has anyone here heard of quantum jumping? So this is an idea that's been marketed by some people in Silicon Valley and elsewhere, that you can actually intentionally jump from this universe to an alternate quantum universe. And I'm looking for someone in the audience to blame for warping us all into this alternate universe where Donald Trump is president, and I'm doing these public lecture gigs in order to get enough money to pay my rent in Silicon Valley. But no one to blame here? Oh, that's unfortunate. All right, that brings us to the end of our first round of Uncertainty Principle. I hope everyone enjoyed it.